Okay, let's talk about a great flute embouchure. So the first thing to remember is that you want a pouty, sad bottom lip, like that. So make it as big and full as you can, so it's kind of mushy, because that's right where we're going to place our lip plate, okay? And remember that our lip plate is this guy. This is our whole head joint. We don't want to mess with this screw. And this little hole inside the lip plate is your tone hole, okay? So when you're holding your flute up, the end should be facing to your left side, because the fatter part of your lip plate is where we want to put your lip, okay? All right, so we want that pouty, sad bottom lip, and we want our corners to be down, like that, okay? And I'm gonna place my head joint right on that bottom lip, and I want to feel the edge of the tone hole that's closest to me. I want to feel it on my bottom lip. You may have to experiment a little bit to find the perfect spot for you, but I know you can do it. Okay, then the top lip is just going to be pretty normal right now. And I don't want it to do much at all. It doesn't need to come forward above the bottom lip. It just needs to be broken open by the air. So make sure that you're not forcing it. Make sure your air is breaking that little hole in your aperture. Okay, let me show you again. Okay, and can you see that little triangle, kind of? The vapor trail is really important. So check for a vapor trail. It will happen on the opposite side of the head joint from where your lip is, and it should look like a little triangle. Now you might be getting a vapor trail and no sound. That's okay. That means that your air is going the right way. Maybe you're just not using enough air. So take a really big breath and use your very best air. Okay, let's try it again. You want to make sure that your head joint is straight and level. Do you see how my air breaks my lips apart? I want you to try that. It's almost like I'm saying the word poo, poo. Okay, let's try this now. Lining it up. I'm checking in my mirror, which is also the video I'm making for you. And I'm looking at myself play so I can check. So I'm going pa, pa, pa. You try breaking that air apart with your lips. Okay, you may have more success trying it with the closed low note. So just put your right hand over the end. Make sure your palm is flat and covered up. Doesn't need to be hard. And we'll try it like that. Same thing. Pouty bottom lip. Corners down. Line up that tone hole. Okay, try that a few times on your own before you go on to the next section.